Central government likely to cancel 10 lakhs unoriginal ration cards from the existing cardholders. 12th birth anniversary of KSYC celebrated at Bokajjan on 13 November. Samilangso ITDP block organized village consultative meet at Langhin VDC Bhavan on 14 November. Good morning, you're watching KAL Live English Prime Time. To purchase subsidized food grain from the public distribution system under the National Food Security Act (NFSA) and benefit the BPL family of the country, ration cards were introduced by the state governments. According to sources, currently the government is planning to cancel about 10 lakh ration cards that the department has identified to be unoriginal and fake from all over the country. The process of scrutiny of eligible beneficiaries is underway. More than 80 crore Indian citizens are currently enjoying the benefits of being a ration card holder, out of which over 1 crore beneficiaries are said to be not eligible for the scheme. According to National Food Scrutiny Act (NFSA), those who pay income tax will be removed from the ration card ownership. Apart from that, people with more than 10 bighas of land will not get the benefit of ration card. The ration card will be cancelled if not used more than 4 months. Those people with a job and running business with suitable income, their ration card will also be cancelled too. Only those who live below the poverty line and have an annual income of less than Rs 10,000 would benefit free with gram and rice through the ration cards. If the names of ration card holder with suitable income are not cancelled, then people living poverty line would be deprived from the scheme in the days to come. News Desk report for KAL Live. On 13th of November, KAL Students and Youth Council KSYC celebrated its 12th birth anniversary at Hanjanglangso PWDIB, Bokajjan. KAL Students and Youth Council KSYC Bokajjan Regional Council initiated the celebration, and it was chaired by Trison Lekte, President of KSYC Bokajjan Regional Council, and the objective of the celebration and introduction of the guests was briefed by Rup Singh Tokbi. Silarson Rongpi, VDC Chairman of VDC Sorupathar constituency, attended as the chief guest of the event. Biren Hanse, Vice President of KSYC Central Committee, Jivan Bey, General Secretary of KSYC Central Committee, Riso Hanse, SGB, and several other dignitaries from the region attended the joyous celebration. As per the motto of KSYC, Nations Building Through Education and Cultural Development, all the dignitaries, while delivering their speech, exchanged their ideas and visions with the students and also advised them to give utmost priority to education. Jivan Bey, General Secretary of KSYC Central Committee, while speaking to the media, informed that he had personally assured to provide an educational grant of Rs 1 lakh to the association. Anantarang's report from Bokajjan for KAL Live. Deephu Press Club had released the list of achievers of Award of Excellence in Journalism to acknowledge the dedication and fortitude to unbiased and truthful reporting. Likewise, Longsodar Ingti, staff reporter of KAL Live, was also selected and would be honored at Deephu on the occasion of National Press Day. Longsodar Ingti is a resident of Wophong Teron village, Jokihola, son of Rajan Ingti and Moriam Tisopi. He joined the reputed news channel of KAL known as KAL Live on 9 July 2021 as a staff reporter of Deephu. Longsodar Ingti is a fully determined and down-to-earth individual, being selected as the achiever of Award of Excellence in Journalism from Deephu Press Club had proven his work towards his profession. Under the supervision, scrutiny and deep analysis from Borsing Rongpar and Joy Singh Tokbi, Deephu Press Club had decided to confer Award of Excellence to the following journalists from Deephu: Humson Hanse of Deephu Voice, Lobson Terang of KAL Today, Mukesh Chauhan of Deephu Voice, Longsodar Ingti Kathar of KAL Live, Surajit Shetty of Kido Life, Ganeshwar Timung of Kido Life, and Babu Singh Ramsa of News Fast for their audacious and truthful reporting on 16 November on the occasion of National Press Day. News Desk report, KAL English Live. On 14th of November, Samilangso ITDP block in collaboration with VDC Chairman of Langhin organized Village Consultative Meet at Langhin VDC Bhavan. The meeting was started from 10 a.m. onwards. It was presided by Bir Singh Timong, Chairman of Langhin VDC, and objective of the meeting was briefed by Biju Deron, Assistant Engineer. Bir Singh Timong, Chairman of Langhin VDC, while addressing his speech, informed that no individual schemes like individual fishery or community fishery would be undertaken in the fiscal year 2023 to 2024. Only the works like construction of road under MNG REGA schemes with proper action plan would be undertaken in the fiscal year 2023-2024 under Samilangso Development Law.
Development agam kosong se kipi kontek di ma rongra pan kosong se pacing tur kontek di ma nasi am so se litum kepa develop kontek dia pan kepa develop kon dia pan cingwai cingsai pon se ke be pusi ni tu na pu edi video orang li ti sa ho tu pen cingwai cingsai si itu bang so mai bank pon lo pen non 2023-24 pan ni tu action plan bonai pon ipo arong tin pusta mi ni tu scheme ke deng pon dia pan.
Rolling Inti, Assistant BDO of Samilangso ITDP block, while speaking to us, informed that all the works under Samilangso block would supervised by the Chairman of Langhin VDC. Every project would be undertaken upon his instruction and direction.
Alang ni instruction na ting alang ni dak pala man siya pwede ke dak pala siya pag itu block hin pen ke itu scheme de rapper lo kasi eventualmente se pangjai ma la bangke kontak ko se pangjai ma la ke si chairman se alang ni sidang thang.
Bir Singh Timong, Langhin VDC Chairman, Rolling Inti Assistant BDO Samilangso ITDP block, Biju Deron, Assistant Engineer, Gram Sewok Silent Terang, Sogan Basumatari, Brojan Dekha, Sar Singh Timong, and several dignitaries of the region attended the meeting. Sarpang Ringti Gathar's report from Langhin for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.